Hey there everybody, Kris Gamble here from Customised with a new video about the latest tech that we discovered at CEDIA Expo 2025. Just back from another whistle-stop tour of Denver, Colorado for the annual CEDIA Expo gathering. Great show as always, very productive, great networking, good to catch up with friends, and very productive for Customised. It's the annual visit where we get to see our existing manufacturers, the sales teams behind these companies, the marketing executives behind these companies, but also a chance to find new technology that we'll incorporate into our installations either immediately or further down the line in 2026. I picked out 5 devices or technologies that I think are going to figure hugely in the installations coming up soon. I'm just going to run through them. First up, a favorite of ours for our mesh Wi-Fi systems, the product we use in our 1-hour Wi-Fi. Now we've got some backup to help you stay connected. The first product is the EERO Signal. That is a 4G, 5G backup device that connects into your EERO system. It can connect into any of the mesh points. So place the EERO signal where you get a good cellular service, connect it with the inline USB-C, and you've got a backup connection when needed. This will sense when your primary internet connection goes offline, and it will connect over to the EERO signal. Still early for its launch in the UK. We expect that to come next year. There will be a subscription for this, but it is a data SIM, an eSIM product. So there will be a subscription, but that peace of mind and backup for your internet service is going to be so invaluable for actually a service that's been troublesome in the past. To have a backup internet service has often required quite complicated networking. So this is a really good solution from EERO. Next up is an audio product, a new brand to me, and one that I think people will see a lot more of next year and in the coming years. It's from a company called Brane, and that's B-R-A-N-E, Brane Audio. They are a Texas-based audio company, and they have introduced to the start their lineup the Brane X audio speaker, and that's a portable speaker with a sound that you wouldn't expect from the size of the product, the bass, the low frequencies, the sound quality, the portability. It just baffles you that there's not additional speakers, there's not, doesn't need to be powered 24/7. It's got a battery life of 10 hours, fantastic output that laughs in the face of its competitors when they try and reproduce a sound so deep and bassy. This is ideal for those backyard, back garden setups where you just want some speakers out by the barbecue area, you want speakers by the pool, you want speakers in the garden, or even in a room where you don't have distributed audio already. Take this speaker into the space and fill it with your favorite music. Next up is a TV product, and similar to the Brane system, that it's wireless, battery powered, and this is a television called the Displace TV. Company are called Displace, based in California. They've come up with a solution for a fully wireless TV, battery powered, with ultra bright screen, great 4K resolution, some innovative features for its battery life and how it gets its charge from accessories as part of the product. But on its own, battery powered TV with an innovative mount that sucks on to any material, a wall, the side of a vehicle. There's places where this can go that you can't put a traditional TV. So it has this mounting system that locks it into place. That's also battery powered, but it has a unique feature that when the battery is running low, the TV will safely remove itself from the mount and lower down on like a suspension wire and put the TV down into a safe position so that the TV does not fall off the wall when the battery runs out. To prolong the battery, they have plug-in speakers that act as a sound bar. There's a larger version with a big battery, which is like a single left and right speaker, but then there's also additional speakers that can go either side of that to give you up to 72 hours of TV with no mains cabling. So Displace TV, go and check that one out. Continuing the audio theme, we found a product that blew us away because of the size of it. It was the K-Array Lyzard speakers, and in particular the K-Array KZ1R tiny speakers. These are 3.5 centimeters or under 2 inches in height. They have a unique mounting system like a lighting fixture that you can put it into a cavity wall, or it can be surface mounted. A machined tiny speaker made out of aluminium, weatherproof, bulletproof really when you hold it in your hand, deceiving the weight of it. It uses a line array technology to deliver sound that is so deceptive that you would never expect from this 1-inch speaker or 3.5 centimeter speaker that it would deliver room-filling sound when paired up with its subwoofer. A pair of these Lyzard speakers, even in their tiniest form factor, is delivering room-filling sound. They have other sizes to suit other applications, but size doesn't always matter when you see these tiny speakers from Lyzard. Unique, high performance, wow factor for any space in your home. Last up is a bit of style from a Belgian manufacturer called Prado. They make flush mounted outlets for your power sockets, USB, light fixtures. They just have a high level finish on a flush, trimless, high quality outlet fixture with a unique connection system in behind. Easy for the electrical contractor, easy for the installer to fit, and you're left with a range of finishes and choices in the colors and the connection types that you'll just want to touch the wall just to feel how smooth the socket is. To have that flush fixture for a wall outlet or for a light switch or a USB connector, and then also they've continued that with their range of lighting fixtures in some amazing metal finishes that again just take you out of the normal, bring you into luxury, into high end, but giving you the quality finish that you desire in your home building project. So that was the top 5 for me at CEDIA. Links will be in the description on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Go and follow these accounts. Go and check out some of the great content that this top 5 have created. And if you could, please leave a like, a comment, and share this post by Customised. If you're watching this in our MailChimp newsletter, please get in touch if you're interested in these products. We'd love to incorporate them into your project. So get in touch at customised.uk.com.